friends, thank you for watching the channel. My name is Dorothy, and today I will be sharing with you my first ever Dior small leather goods purchase. Um, and it is the calfskin card holder in the saddle style. I would have to check if it's calfskin, but it is the saddle style of the Dior card holder. If you know, their accessories come in mainly two styles. One is Lady Dior, the other one is the saddle, and this one is in the saddle style. So inside of this very classic white bag is this document holder, which includes the receipt and any kind of like paperwork for the purchase. By the way, I purchased this at the San Francisco location of the Christian Dior boutique. It is located in Post Street. Dior San Francisco Women Boutique is on Post Street, 185 Post Street, and it's located, I believe it's on the corner of Post and Grant. And so this is, I got it from there. So the price of this in February 2019 is $410 for the saddle style small card holder. Okay, plus tax, $410 plus tax. So that's what I paid for this small letter good card holder. I just really love this style. Okay, so getting on with our business, what we really want, we want to see how it looks like. And it comes in this very classic white Christian Dior bag box. I love this bag. I love this box. What I love is inside. So yeah, so it comes in this classic box, and then comes wrapped with a sticker label. I think it's different depending on where it's coming from, but this one, since it's from the women's boutique, comes with the Dior kind of mirror style label. So it comes wrapped in that, very delicately wrapped by my client advisor over at that Dior store. I typically don't rip off the actual cover and just try to access the item straight without ruining the paper. I'm just that type of person. And so the card holder comes with the dust bag in the classic Dior dust bag, and what I bought was in black. Comes in multiple different styles. It has the jacquard Dior style with the monogram type of Dior design in the front in gray and navy blue. Came in navy blue. I was kind of debating between black and navy blue, and then they also had it in red season back, and this one is their black classic, maybe permanent style. And this is again the saddle style card holder. Okay, and what I love about this is this very subtle, not really subtle, but like this very classy, very simple D on the corner. Of course it means Dior, but since my name is Dorothy, I like to think that it also means Dorothy. So this is why I love this card holder. It's kind of really roomy. It has a lot of pockets, which I love. I love pockets anywhere. It has a pocket in the back end of it, and then it opens up like a mini purse almost, like this, to more pockets inside. And this thicker, I like to say thicker, roomier portion has sort of like an accordion thing going on in the bottom, so you can really fit a lot more in there, maybe like keys and a few cards. And then it has two inserts in the inside, so one here for, I think, kind of like a secret type of insert, so if you have very delicate types of identifications or card, you can put it there, or maybe for your bills if they're folded up. And then they also have another one right on the outside of it. And then here they also have the pocket right in the front for maybe your ID or for any kind of like cards that you use a little bit more often. So in terms of like measurement, I wouldn't necessarily call it small. It actually can pass as a really slim type of wallet, and it definitely is roomy. That was like a surprise for me when I looked at it in the store. I was expecting it to be more on the slimmer style, like most card holders usually are, and this one isn't that at all, because it almost can pass as a key holder and a coin purse, or something that could hold definitely thicker items. What I love about the Dior card holder in saddle is the feel of the material. So soft. It actually reminds me a little bit of the Louis Vuitton Empreinte type of leather, and I really like that feel, even on the outside. And what's really cool about it is in the inside, even though it's more the traditional leather type of fabric, it feels buttery soft still. So amazing. And then it doesn't go leather all the way. It does have a little bit of jacquard or some sort of like fabric on the lining of the inside of the, like a canvas jacquard type of fabric on the lining of the inside of the card holder. So it's not leather throughout, but doesn't matter, because where it matters, the leather is really buttery soft, having that classic luxury feel, and also feels great to the touch. And the clasp of it, so the button, the clasp itself, like this, reads, I'm not sure if you could read it, but it does read Dior on the clasp. It is magnetic button. Right now it's a little still sticky, you know. It's not easy to open and close just yet, but through time and through use, that usually improves a whole lot more. So I kind of like that snap, the snap sound of it. So I don't really mind it being a little stubborn or whatever right now, because then I would know if my card holder is already closed just by listening to the snap of the button. And yeah, so in the front, I think you've seen this quite a lot. So the label inside does say Christian Dior Paris, making it an authentic piece because it's coming straight from the Paris location. So yeah, I really love this piece. And to kind of like go through a little bit of a story around this purchase. So I wanted this in red. They didn't have it online. They had it in a few stores in the States, and I really like the saddle style again because of the D and also this classic unique format design. And the red one was really powerful, so I wanted that. But then I said maybe I should just go to the store and see how the other designs look like. And when the sales associate showed me the black, I just said that would be my first Dior small letter good purchase. And that, my friends, is the story of this Christian Dior saddle small letter good card holder wallet. Hope you enjoyed it. In a few minutes, I would actually be sharing with you things that I would put in here, so you'll see how much capacity this Dior card holder could hold. Thank you.